Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make blooming gel nails. First, ensure your nails are clean and prepped. Apply a thin base coat and cure it for 30 seconds. Next, apply your chosen base color, doing 2 thin coats. Cure each coat for 60 seconds under your lamp. This creates a smooth foundation for your blooming design. Now apply a medium, even layer of blooming gel over your cured base color. This step is crucial, but remember, do not cure this layer yet. It needs to remain wet for the blooming effect to work its magic. Have your contrasting gel polish colors ready to go, as you'll be working quickly. With your blooming gel still wet, use a dotting tool or a thin brush to apply small dots or lines of your contrasting gel polish colors. You'll immediately see the colors spread and create beautiful, organic patterns. This is where the magic happens. Work quickly to achieve your desired design before the gel settles. Once you are happy with your blooming design, cure your nails under a UV or LED lamp for 60 seconds. This locks in your beautiful artwork. Finally, apply a no-wipe top coat to add shine and protect your design. Cure the top coat for 60 to 90 seconds for a durable, long-lasting finish. Enjoy your stunning blooming gel nails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.